Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their TASCAM DR-05 or DR-07 mkII handheld digital audio recorder, the kybate 5FT USB cable cord. If you've ever found yourself with a frayed, damaged, or simply misplaced power cable, you know the frustration it can cause, especially when you're in the middle of an important recording session or need to transfer crucial audio files. This particular cable from kybate positions itself as the perfect replacement, designed specifically to bring your TASCAM recorder back to full functionality with a reliable connection. One of the first things that stands out about this kybate cable is the attention to detail in its construction. The manufacturer claims that every aspect has been carefully considered, and it certainly feels that way. The cable itself is described as soft and bendable, which is a huge plus. Nobody wants a stiff, unyielding cord that fights against your setup or creates unnecessary strain on the ports. This flexibility suggests it will be much easier to manage, coil, and store without fear of internal damage. Furthermore, the smooth, rounded corners mentioned in the description indicate a thoughtful design that prioritizes user experience and prevents snags or sharp edges. Durability is another key aspect where this kybate USB cable aims to excel. It's crafted from high-quality materials that are resistant to bending and high temperatures. This isn't just about longevity, it's also about safety. A cable that can withstand the rigors of regular use and varying environmental conditions provides peace of mind, ensuring a stable power supply and data transfer without the risk of overheating or short-circuiting. The fact that it's been tested by the manufacturer further reinforces its claim of being a quality product, ready to perform right out of the box. The 5-foot length is also a practical consideration. It offers a good balance between reach and manageability, providing enough slack to connect your TASCAM recorder to a power source or computer without being excessively long and creating clutter. Whether you're powering your device during a long recording session or transferring files to your computer, this length should prove quite versatile for most setups. It's crucial to remember, as the manufacturer advises, to always check the shape of the cord's end before making a purchase. While this kybate cable is designed for the TASCAM DR-05 and DR-07 mkII, ensuring compatibility with your specific model's port is always a wise step to avoid any inconvenience. This cable is truly intended to replace those overused, old, broken, damaged, or misplaced power cable cords, offering a fresh start for your valuable audio equipment. For anyone looking for a dependable, well-constructed replacement USB cable for their TASCAM DR-05 or DR-07 mkII, the kybate 5FT USB cable cord appears to be an excellent choice, promising both performance and durability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.